Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 8A and I'm gonna show you a few codes you can use on this device. Let's start by opening the phone app by tapping this icon right here. Now let's tap on this icon to open the dial pad, and now we can enter the first code, which is asterisk hash 64663 hash asterisk. And this code opens the QC test menu. Here you can test hardware on your phone. For example, you can test a speaker.
5, 3, 5, 3.
And now you can enter the
5, 3,
numbers that the speaker
5,
is saying,
3.
and then tap pass. Now you can test the microphone like that, and you can go back. And you can test many things right here. Speaker, receiver, LED test, touch panel, headset, many things. Okay, let's close this menu, go back to phone app and enter another code, which is asterisk hash 4636 hash asterisk. And this code opens the testing menu. Here we have options like phone information 1, phone information 2, and Wi-Fi information. Let's tap on phone information 1 first. Here we have some information about our device. We can run also the ping test, and we can tap on more right here, and we have options like view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, view service dialing numbers, IMS service status, and enable data connection. Let's go back and tap on phone information 2. This menu is almost the same as the previous one. And right here we have Wi-Fi information, and we have options like Wi-Fi API, Wi-Fi config, Wi-Fi status. Let's tap on Wi-Fi API. Here we have options like disable network, disconnect, enable network, get configured networks, and get connection info. Let's go back, tap on Wi-Fi config, and here you can check the configured networks status or options, but you can't because we're not connected to Wi-Fi right now, so nothing is visible. And Wi-Fi status right here, you can check the status of your Wi-Fi, but like I said before, we're not connected, so there's nothing. Okay, let's close this and go back to phone app, enter another code, which is asterisk hash 225 hash asterisk. And this code opens the calendar info menu. If you're logged in into your Google account, you can see information about your calendar right here. Okay, now let's enter another code, which is asterisk hash 426 hash asterisk. And this code opens the FCM diagnostic menu. Here you can tap on events to see the events, and on status to see the status. You can also tap on the more options icon and select advanced view to see more information. Okay, let's close this and enter the last code, which is asterisk hash 06 hash. And this code opens the device information menu, and here you can check the email numbers of your device and the serial number as well. And that should be all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.